free apps that you can use to create a website. It's actually in Play Store. You can get it for free. So the first is websites.co.in. Let's set up your business website. Actually registered, and yep. The name should be Speak Anything. Enter categories. Health and fitness. Okay. Enter name of city. Phone number. Search actually. Phone number. Eighteen. Proceed. Build your credibilities and reputation by entering your address. You can hide it later if you wish. Proceed. Come on. Let's see step 3. Oh, I don't think it will open. I didn't actually notice of it, so yeah, I should skip this one out, but it really works. Forgotten it. So yeah, the second one is website maker app. It really works. Allow. Enter your mobile number. Okay. Check in. Done. With over 490 website and application projects, we are known for our blah 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 and stuff. Schedule a phone number call. Scroll down. Start today. Okay, gonna pick one. Enter your first name, last name, country, which service do you want? Online store, website, or business website? Explain your requirements in your website. I don't know, schedule your appointment, your age, your contact number, your email address, submit. Oh, okay. Submit. Should I just fix this right? Explain your requirements in your website. No requirements, I think. Submit. Thank you for contacting us. Our whatever representative will contact you soon. Okay, so they contact me soon. I don't know when, but maybe. Just put an email there. So the third one is creator. Log in with Jimdo account. Create a new account. Let's get started. Yes, I have read and agree. Yep, and continue. Sign in with Google. I'm glad they always have this. They're like, no one's like stress anyway. Continue this. No website have been added yet, so add. Let's get started. Brilliant. Okay, what I'm gonna do this right. Your new Jimdo website needs an address. Please enter 1 year. Your site. Mrs. Next. Names already taken. Mixes 1. Next. Okay, we're creating your website. Sunset moments. Icon 3. Can actually design this. Put pictures and all that. Text, photos, option. Okay, nice. So, should try this right now. Can even add a blog here, but no. Navigations, okay. Headings, and should add a photo. Allow choose existing photos. I'm gonna do okay, this looks nice. Caption, what they wrote there. Actually, I'm just gonna use it. Professional. Web design made easy. Okay. Action and click. External link. I know. Let's click this. Loading and done. So yeah, we actually added yeah, it's nice. It's showing right here. You can add more to this. So yeah, these are apps to create your own website. So it's really nice. Try it out. You can search them on the Play Store. Again, the first is websites.co.in. It's in the Play Store. Just search the name. The next is website maker app, and the third is creator. You see the logos. This is W for its logo. This is like TV, and this is the letter J. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe and like, share and comment your favorite app on this video. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.